Good evening.
How are you?
I'm very well. Thanks for asking. How
That's
about you?
great. I'm also fine, thank you.
Yeah.
And how was your day today? Anything interesting?
Yeah, it is good. Yeah.
Okay.
How was your
So,
day?
my day was okay, nothing very interesting, pretty much very usual routine.
Uh-huh.
But it was okay, it was not bad actually.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. So, I noticed you have an assignment. So, let us
Yeah.
start with that.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure. Sure.
Perfect.
Well, I have a couple of things I do when I enter into my home from
Mm-hmm.
outside. Like, firstly,
Mm-hmm.
I leave my footwear outside and directly enter
Okay.
into the balcony.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, then I wash my legs and hands. Later on,
Mm-hmm.
we need to maintain hygiene everywhere. Uh, so,
Mm-hmm.
it's a good habit. Whenever any person go outside, like we need to maintain routine, like changing clothes and washing your legs and
Mm-hmm.
hands. That will be good because as we know, the pandemic is going on. Like I can say that prevention is better than cure. If we are maintaining this kind of hygiene, then we can avoid those problems. That's
Right,
what I
very
think.
true.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, fair enough. So it's nice that you have your proper routine which you try to maintain and you
Yeah.
try to take care of your personal hygiene as well, which is a very
Yeah.
good habit actually.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So, all right, I have marked your assignment as completed. You
Yeah.
will get a new assignment very soon after this call. You can check it and we will discuss it
Sure.
tomorrow. Okay?
Sure. Yeah.
Perfect. So, for today, do you want to choose any topic to practice? Do you want me to give you some random questions?
It's okay for me. Random questions.
All right, fine. Tell me that what is one thing which you absolutely love about yourself? So, one thing which makes you feel very proud of yourself, maybe a quality, maybe a personality trait.
Yeah. I'm very honest to any person. So I think that is a thing I feel proud of myself.
Okay, all right.
If I want to
And
say no, I will say no, or else
mhm,
say straight on the person. So
okay,
that's the thing I feel great about me.
okay, that's nice. So, you don't go around pretending, you're a very genuine and candid person.
Yes, yes, yeah.
That's amazing. And can you tell me that what is one thing which you have learned recently from your experience? Anything which is a lesson that you learned from your own experience recently?
Like as the pandemic is going on, we should not like careless, like yeah, that corona won't affect us like that. We should not be like overconfident. uh,
Mm-hmm.
anytime it can affect us. So
Right.
we need to be cautious, like
Mm-hmm.
whenever you go to market or any marriage, like if there are so many crowd, like no virus like that. So, I saw so many people
Mm-hmm.
going like that. So I
Okay,
think that is
right.
not a good thing.
Mm-hmm. So we should
Yeah.
not be ignorant about things. We
Yeah.
should be more,
Yeah.
responsible citizens, basically.
Yeah. And there are the people like yeah, if I get corona, then there is we get vaccine, right? So I can
Right.
cure. They are in that dilemma, but after getting corona, like there are so many issues, like there is an effect on heart, there is effect on kidney. And even we don't know how much effective that vaccine is. So
Mm-hmm. Very
people need to
true.
understand. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So just because they've developed the vaccine, that doesn't mean that we can be careless because it
Yeah.
might have
Yes.
certain side effects in the
Yeah.
future.
And there are few people are saying that after corona their hair fall is also
Mm-hmm.
going out more.
Right. Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So that is also another side effect, is it?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, all right. And can you share that whenever you face criticism, how do you deal with it? Like, sometimes people will try to spread negativity around us or they will criticize us. So how do you deal with criticism?
Uh, firstly, we should not react, because yeah, that is a tendency we get to react to that situation, but we need to cool down and then later on respond
Mm-hmm.
to that situation. Yeah.
Okay, so we should be very patient. We shouldn't.
Yeah, patience. Yeah.
Rush in. We should not react
Yeah.
quickly.
Yes.
All right. And what about one memory that you cherish forever? One memory in your from your past which is very valuable to you?
One memory, like when I was in college, the girl, she's something drowsy that day, and she's about to fell on the ground. But I went and I supported her, like I like pick like that. So that moment, she's very after recovering, she's very thankful to me. I remember that scene. I felt that is a proudful thing for me.
That's
Like
amazing.
I helped someone. Like I say, I can see her happiness.
Right. And that must have made you feel very nice.
Yeah. Yes.
That's great. And can you share that what is okay? So what is one thing which you are very good at doing? Something which you consider to be your talent?
Talent. Yeah. Whenever I prepare, like any like if I prepare like assignment, then I'm very confident about that. Like I'm really into that assignment. So I feel that is a thing.
Okay, so you're very dedicated. Whatever you do it with a lot
Yeah.
of dedication.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. And can you share that what are some things that you're looking forward to? What are your plans for the next 3 months? What are you looking forward to in your life?
And at present I'm concentrating on my career growth, like mainly fluency. Like I not only my fluency, I want to create awareness among my friends. Like this fluency is more important in your career, like that. Yeah.
Okay, so personality development.
Yeah, even that also. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
And what is one thing which you feel is a negative trait in you that you want to change in the upcoming few months, that you want to stop following?
Negative thing, like I procrastinate much, so I think that is a negative thing in my.
Okay.
So I need to
So-
change that. Yeah.
Okay,
Sometimes
and
I
what
procrastinate. Yeah.
Okay. So what do you procrastinate on? What are the things which you keep on delaying?
Yeah, like regarding this, today I set a target. Like today I need to complete this assignment. Then sometimes I procrastinate. Tomorrow we can do like that. That is a thing I need to avoid in myself.
Okay, all right. And are you trying to change it?
Yeah, I'm trying to change. Yeah,
That's
I wish
nice.
I overcome it.
Okay. Can you tell me one of your favorite movie and what do you like about it? So one movie that you really enjoy watching and which you can consider to be your favorite movie.
Yeah, recently I watched a Tamil movie. Like it's a Nayanthara. Like she's like self-oriented, and the thing I like in that, like that really explained that movie about the present situation. Like we no need to have caste, gender. Like in our society, all are equal. Humans are equal, like that. I really like that content.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
You also just watch. Really, it's amazing.
Okay. So is it in which language is it in?
It's in Tamil. I think it's dubbed in Hindi also.
Okay. And where did you? Is it on any online platform?
Yeah, like it's Movie Rules.
Movie Rules. Okay. Can you please spell out the name for me? I'll check it out.
Mukkutti Ammavar. Mukkutti.
Mukkutti, MUKU.
KUTI. Like Nayanthara. Nayanthara heroine.
Mukkutti. What was it?
Ammavaru.
Okay, Mukkutti Ammavaru. Mukkutti Amma.
And the heroine is Nayanthara.
Okay, all right. So I'll check it out. Seems like it's quite an interesting movie.
Yeah, it's really amazing.
So,
like it's showing like all these babas about how they create the religious and how they divide the people based on the religion. It's so interesting and it's really fact.
Oh, okay. Yes, I think in our country it's very common that these babas and all will try to fool people.
Yeah, really.
Okay, so I'll check it out in Hindi. I'll definitely next time if I connect with you, I'll give
Sure.
you Okay. So I noticed now because we have a little time left, so let us do some quick feedback, okay?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Perfect. So first of all, it was really nice talking with you, connecting with you, and
same
to
Yeah.
Thank you. And coming to your communication part, I like your confidence level. I like how you express your ideas pretty confidently, pretty clearly. And to improve this thing, are you doing something for vocabulary part? Are you doing any reading practice or noting down vocabulary?
Yeah, actually.
Writing it somewhere?
No, actually no. I'm not writing.
Okay, no problem. Try to collect it in one place. Make a small notebook, small notepad so that you can write it there. And then you can do one thing. You can start to revise it by making sentences.
Yeah,
so you can take, you can take any words and try to make sentences with them because that will help you to remember the words better. Otherwise, after some time, we forget what we have learned. So revision is a very important role. Okay?
Yes, really.
Yeah, and apart from that, every day for 5-10 minutes, try to read loudly. Reading loudly is very helpful for overall improvement. And wherever you find any difficult words, any new words which you don't understand, you can always note down your doubts and questions, and you can always ask us. So we can help you out with your practice like that. Okay?
Sure. It's really nice talking to you.
Likewise, and I hope you have a great evening ahead.
Yeah. Wish you the same.
Thank you.